Welcome to today's video on how to grow your YouTube channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First things first, it's important to define your niche. Find a topic you're passionate about and that has an audience. This will help you stand out and attract the right viewers. Next, optimize your channel's branding. Create a compelling channel banner, design a captivating logo, and choose a color scheme that represents your brand. Now it's time to create high-quality content. Invest in a good camera and microphone, plan your videos in advance, and focus on delivering value to your audience. Promote your videos on social media platforms. Share teasers, behind-the-scenes footage, and engage with your audience to build a loyal community. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. By collaborating, you can tap into each other's audiences and gain exposure to new viewers. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, hosting live streams, and conducting giveaways. Building a strong connection with your viewers is crucial for channel growth. Lastly, analyze your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. Identify what's working and what's not, and make data-driven decisions to improve your content strategy.